To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, open the group chat where you want to mention someone. Now, in the message box, type the @ symbol. As soon as you do, a list of all group members will appear. Simply tap the name of the person you want to mention, and their name will appear highlighted in your message. Now, type your message, and hit send. That's it. The person will receive a special notification, even if they've muted the group. You can mention other people in separate messages, by typing @ and selecting their names individually. You can mention multiple people in a single message by typing @ and selecting each person you want to notify. This feature ensures your message grabs the recipient's attention, even in a muted group chat. So that's how you can mention someone on a WhatsApp group chat.